Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set LibreOffice Writer up so that when you save and open documents you're working as if you're using Microsoft Office. Now I'm not talking about changing the whole software program over to look like and have everything in the same place as Office. All I'm demonstrating here is how you can set it so that it saves its files as docx files, and then you don't have to remember to manually do it every time. Let me show you what I'm talking about. In LibreOffice, it uses a extension that is a it's not a doc, it's an odt extension. And so you'll see here, if I click File, Save, so what it's going to do is it wants me to name the file, and if I just named it Test and saved it, you'll see down here that it has ODT, Open Document Format is what that stands for. Well, it's an open document text file, I guess is what it stands for, ODT. But if I were to save this right now, then let's say I created a word processor document and I saved it and then I emailed it to somebody and they tried to open it with Word. Word may or may not open this, I don't know for sure. But if you're trying to be compatible with Microsoft Word, you don't want to use this file extension. You want to use this one, 2007 through 365. And you could save your file with that extension, and then you'll see that it basically would create a docx file. But what if you're having to remember to save everything as a docx file every time? Well, that leaves room for error. Every time you save a file, you got to remember to change the file extension when you save it. But there's a way in LibreOffice that you can set that to always use docx as your file extension. And to do that, you just go into Tools, and then you come down here to Options. It's the last item in the list. And then you get this Settings dialog box, and it's under the Load and Save section. So if you open that and go under General, you'll see that there's all these settings, but notice this one right here, Always Save As. It's set to ODT by default, but if you change that to Word 365, right here, docx, if you change that, now what will happen, let's apply that and click OK. Now, when I go to save this, if I click File, Save, you'll see that my default is now docx. It's not ODT like it was before. So that's how you can save, or how to change the settings in LibreOffice Writer so that your Word documents are, or so that your word processor documents, your Writer documents, are saved with the Microsoft Word document extension. So I hope that helps, and thanks for watching.